Welcome back, students. I hope that you have gone through my last video and we were in the chapter mean, where we have learned to find out the mean using the direct method, then the assume mean method, and the third one is the step deviation method, which we will learn in this video. So as you can see, the step deviation method, the formula mean is given as A, that is assumed mean, plus H multiplied with sigma Fi ui upon sigma Fi, where A is our assumed mean, H is equals to x2 minus x1, and ui is equals to xi minus A divided by H. So, let us see one example to find the mean using the step deviation method, or this is also called as the shortcut method. So you can see one question where you can see the frequency distribution where x is given as 25, 35, 45, 55, 65 and 75, and accordingly the frequency row is also given. Frequency is 10, 6, 8, 12, 5 and 9. Using this table, frequency distribution table, we have to find out the mean using the step deviation method. So let us start. The first step is to draw the table with xi and fi. Xi, it was 25, 35, 45, 55, 65 and 75, and Fi, that is frequency, was 10, 6, 8, 12, 5 and 9. And see the formula for step deviation method. Mean is equals to A plus H multiplied with sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi. So use this formula to make one by one all the columns. The first one is A, assume mean. We have to assume one of the value of x1, xi as the mean. So let us assume that the mid value here, the mid value is around 45 and 55, but we have to take one value. So let us assume that 45 is our assumed mean. We take 45 as our assumed mean. Then we have to find out the H. What is H? H already we have written that H is equals to x2 minus x1. How to get H? x2 minus x1. So our H value is equals to 10. Now Fi is given. So the next is ui. How to get ui? And ui formula is xi minus a upon h. Ui xi minus a upon h, and this ui will be our third column. So let us make the third column. In ui column we write ui is equals to xi minus a by upon h. So the first row we write 25, xi we take as 25, and a assumed mean which we have already taken as 45 upon 10, that is h, that is equals to, after calculation we will get minus 2. Similarly, in the second row we get 35 as xi, 45 as a and 10 as h, and after calculation we get minus 1. So similarly we will complete the entire column of ui. After completing the ui column, we have to go to the next column, that is fi ui. In the formula also you can see fi ui is there, so we have to make one more column of fi ui. Fi that is frequency ui which we have calculated. So let us complete this column also. So you can see in FIUI column 10 multiplied with minus 2 we get minus 20. The second row 6 multiplied with minus 1 we get minus 6, and the third row accordingly 8 multiplied with 0 will get 0, and thus we complete the entire table x1 fi ui fi ui. Now we have to find the summation of fi ui and summation of fi. You can see the fi column where we will add all the frequencies 10 plus 6 plus 8 plus 12 plus 5 plus 9, and we'll get sigma fi as 50. Similarly, for FIUI, sigma FIUI will add minus 20, minus 6, plus 0, plus 12, plus 10, plus 27, and sigma FIUI will get us 23. Now, we'll use this formula, mean formula, A plus H multiplied with sigma FIUI upon sigma Fi to find out the mean. We'll just put the values which we have calculated on that formula. Now we see the mean formula. Mean is equals to A plus H multiplied with sigma FIUI upon sigma Fi, which is equals to, we'll put the value of A, that is 45, assume mean, plus H value we have taken out the 10, we have written 10 multiplied with sigma FIUI 23 upon sigma Fi 50. So after calculation we will get the value, the mean is 49.6. So students, now you know the step-by-step method to find the mean using the step deviation method. And I hope now you have understood all the methods to find the mean from the ungrouped frequency distribution. And I hope that you will do good in your exam, and so all the best students for your coming exams. And thank you students, and all the best.